Hi everyone, Mark here at Autobrite Direct. We're the product information video for you. Today we're going to be focusing on Crystal, which is our leading glass cleaner and has been for many years now and is one of the Autobrite Direct original products. Crystal has undergone a transformation over the past few months and is now a new and improved formula. It contains less alcohol, so it gives you a little bit more working time whilst it's on the glass, but still gives you that great crystal clear finish. Crystal is available in two sizes. We've got the 500ml and we've also got the 5 litre, and is great for all your automotive glass inside and out, and can also be used on plastics as well. Now when you apply Crystal, you can either apply it directly to the glass or you can apply it to a cloth, work it in and then buff off for that long lasting shine. It can be used with either a normal microfiber towel or with one of our Enforcer glass towels, which are specifically designed for the job. So let's take our Crystal through to the detailing bay and we'll give you a quick demonstration. Hi everyone, you join me here in our new ceramic bay and we're going to be taking a look at Crystal on this window here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Crystal, and I'm going to use two cloths today so we can get a nice streak-free finish. I'm going to be using one of our Enforcer glass towels first, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the Crystal directly onto the towel. And what this is going to do is it's going to stop us getting any overspray onto the surrounding plastics and trim, which, if left, can cause staining because Crystal does contain some alcohol. So we're going to work that in, make sure we get right into all the corners. I'm going to work that in with our Enforcer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of our Guv'nors and then I'm just going to buff that off just to make sure there's no residue left, and any little particles or anything that might have stuck to it have all gone. And that should give us a nice streak and smear free finish. There we go. And it is as simple as that. Same principle on the inside as the outside glass, whether you're doing the windscreen, if you've got a sunroof, panoramic roof, exactly the same principle. Spray onto one cloth, wipe on, use a secondary cloth to buff off. Perfect results every time. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.